All right, let's now see what the results are when we use the gradient boosting machines on our credit card data set. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get the random forest exercise and see what we can reuse. So let me take a look here. Random forests we just done. Random forests, breast cancer, credit card fraud. Yeah, that's the one we need. So I'm gonna copy that one. Here we go, and let's open it. As usual, we're gonna run the software. Runtime, I would say run above that line here, run before, and now we have the time to change it here. So we do gradient boosting on credit card fraud. Yeah, gradient boosting. In the meanwhile, we've seen that we have to mount our drive, so let's quickly do that. We know the routine by now. Here is our code. I'm gonna copy that, close this one, fill it out, and continue. So here what we need to do is, well, first of all, we have loaded the correct data set in this case, yeah, which is credit card CSV. So what we need to do now is to see where we started random forest, and basically it's from here. So anything down from here, I'm gonna delete. All right, gradient boosting, remember we have parameters to tune, and we're gonna do this with Bayesian optimization. So let's install this Bayesian optimization. It won't take too long. Here we are. And now let us import the necessary libraries. These you will also find in our session on gradient boosting. So no surprises here, and we're gonna run that code. So now let's start with this Bayesian optimization, and it's gonna be exactly the same code as we used in gradient boosting exercise. So here as well, these are the ranges of all the parameters that we need to tune. And so let's start the tuning of the parameters. And remember, this takes a little bit of time. All right, we're done with the Bayesian optimization, and here you have the results. So these results we're gonna use as the numbers for parameters. So here we did, yeah. So you can see that all of these results we incorporated here, and now we can fit the model on the training data. So let's run this. All right, we're done. It didn't take so long. What we now will do is we're gonna calculate the same KPIs as we did for the anomaly detection. So let's paste this block of code, and this block of code is similar to what we did in other sessions. Yeah, no big surprises here. And we're gonna go for the ROC curve and the ROC AUC, which is the area under the curve score. So let's run this code. And here we have the result. Actually not that bad, not as beautiful as with random forest, but it's actually not bad. And let me try to print the area under the curve. Remember, in random forest we had 96%. So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's actually better. The area under the curve is 1.5% better. And so brilliant results despite the fact that this data set is highly imbalanced. I think this is showing that random forest and gradient boosting are actually very powerful algorithms. So we take note for gradient boosting, we have a score of 0.97.5.